Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to print multiple OneNote pages and section pages. This is incredibly useful when you need physical copies of your notes for meetings, presentations, or study sessions, and you want to print several pages at once rather than doing them one by one. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, give it a moment to fully load all your sections and pages. This ensures that everything is accessible when you go to print. Once your notebook has been loaded, head to the File menu located at the top part of your screen and click on it. This is where you'll find all the document management options, including the printing features we need for this task. From the expanded menu, click on the option labeled as Print. You'll notice that after clicking this, you need to click on the print icon again to access the full print settings. This second click opens up the detailed print dialog where you can customize exactly what gets printed. Now here's where the real control comes in. Look at the page range section in the print settings. This is your command center for deciding what to print. You have several options here. You can select to print just the selected tab if you only need that specific section. Alternatively, you can set specific pages by entering the page numbers. For example, if you want to print pages 3 through 10, you would type the starting page number, then put in a dash followed by the last page number. Or, if you need everything, you can simply select all to print all sections and pages in one go. This flexibility makes it easy to print exactly what you need without wasting paper. Now, to print multiple copies, look at the right side of the print settings and set the number of copies by entering the number in the field provided. This is particularly handy if you're preparing materials for a group or need backup copies for yourself. Here's an important tip. Make sure to check the collate checkbox. This ensures that the document prints in sequential order for better organization. Without collation, if you're printing multiple copies, all the page 1s would print first, then all the page 2s, and so on, which creates a mess. With collation enabled, each complete set prints together, making it much easier to distribute or file. Once you've configured all these settings, you're ready to send your print job. Simply click the Print button, and your multiple OneNote pages and section pages will start printing according to your specifications. And there you have it. You've now set up and printed multiple OneNote pages and section pages efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.